This is a video of Soormane Falls, a small waterfall in the taluk of Kalasa, in the district of Chikmagalur, Karnataka. After the Kudremukh trek, I had the opportunity to stop at this waterfall, on our way back to Bangalore. We were a group of 10, and were traveling, in a tempo traveler van. It is a short detour from the Bangalore route, with the approach via an unpaved road. A ticket fee of 30 rupees is collected per person, and there is a parking spot from which the waterfall must be accessed on foot. The walk from here to the waterfall is easy, with no inclines, and only takes about 10 minutes. You must cross this stream, which provides water to the waterfall. I visited here in the middle of March, in summer. However, there had been rain in the previous few days, so there was still water. In the monsoon season though, crossing this stream could mean getting your feet wet. A series of winding steps leads to the waterfall at the end of the path. The waterfall is about 40 feet high and falls from the stream above over a bed of rocks. It is surrounded by lush greenery and exudes a calm and serene atmosphere. The water was rather sparse at this time of year, and it was not much of a sight to see. However, with plenty of water during the monsoon, this could be quite beautiful. None of us were in the mood to swim because we were still tired from the previous day's trek and it was still too early in the morning. On a hot afternoon, however, things might have been different, and getting wet beneath the cool water might have been irresistible. We sat on the banks and on rocks, admiring the falls and the surrounding greenery. The sound of falling water in the middle of a forest, away from the sights and sounds of cities, always puts you in a pensive but calm mood. As I watched the water flow down the waterfall, and downstream, a quote came to mind: "Many a calm river begins as a turbulent waterfall, but none hurtles and foams all the way to the sea."